The first thing that was recommended to us was to get writer in our job descriptions. So I put writer in our job descriptions so everyone is actually held accountable for it within our UX team as a tool that they're expected to use. We also were really particular and worked very close with our account manager on specific small group training. The writer customer success team is probably best in class in terms of like being really proactive in aiding and training and trying to figure out like what are all our nuanced use cases and like what are the best ways to set us up for that success, cutting data in a way that makes sense, running surveys. It's been a really wonderful, seamless partnership. We have a writer help Slack channel that Kaylee's really excellent at managing. And anytime there's new updates or new ways to do things, we push to that. So we're always like keeping writer top of mind. We just recently did a prompt creation training on like how to actually write prompts in a way that you get what you want quicker and the nuances of that, which was super helpful. So like making sure we have poignant training, making sure if you can, getting the tool into job description is extra motivating. And then also like being continual with our content so that it's always fresh and top of mind. And then engaging with some of our more proactive users of the tool. So we do at least every month on like our top users and what they're doing and why. And that's how we've uncovered a lot of the use cases we've talked about today.
It's been really fun to see which folks end up being power users. Like we had the use cases in mind, but then as various people signed up to use Writer and we see the data on who's really generating the most words, it's actually been some surprising folks. Our legal team, one of the things that they do that's really helpful for UX and marketing as well is they maintain a guideline of what we're allowed to say and not say, but that document itself is like a 20 to 30 page Google Doc. The legal team generate like large documents that get shared with folks in the company. So being able to scan those documents and catch any grammar, punctuation, that type of thing, making sure things make sense. And then those documents, like particularly the legal guidelines for marketing and creative, is super usable and clear and readable for all the people that are going to be using it.
Like definitely a very holistic program, but Kaylee and I really saw the value in this tool and we wanted to make sure we maximize the opportunity across our organization to get the most out of Writer.